how to speak English easily. I know guys, you want to speak English easily, but you don't know the proper methods. So here I am going to give you some tips to speak English easily. So the first one is start with basic sentences. You know guys, in starting you should not learn so much complex sentences. You should start with basic sentences. Like if you want to talk about your past, so you can talk about like I went to office, I cooked food, I operated a mobile. And if you want to talk about like future, I will go to office, I will do my job, and I will visit outside. So start with basic sentences. The second one is learn common vocabulary. You know guys, vocabulary is an important part of English language, and definitely if you want to speak English easily, you must know about common vocabulary. Common vocabulary means household related word meanings, office related word meanings, and daily life related word meanings. So at least you should know common vocabulary. And the third one is practice speaking English daily. You know, if you really want to speak English easily, you should do practice English speaking daily. Daily you have to speak in English. The fourth one is read out loud. You know guys, if you are reading, then you should read loud. And you are like when you are reading, it should be like you are also speaking. It is also a easy way to speak English easily. And the fifth one is stay positive. Okay, do not think negative that I will be not able to speak English easily. Definitely you will be able to speak English, and you will speak English fluently and confidently also. So stay positive and keep in your mind that one day definitely I will speak fluent English. Thank you for watching this video.